Blessed morning, my XOP family. How are you? I hope everyone is doing great. And for today's morning inspiration is from the book of Ephesians 4:32 that says, "Be kind and compassionate to one another, forgiving each other, just as in Christ God forgave you." This verse emphasizes the importance of kindness, compassion, and forgiveness, mirroring the forgiveness that God offers through Christ. First is, be kind and compassionate to one another. We should have the willingness to do good things and be generous to our actions, showing love, patience, and empathy for the well-being of others. Second is forgiving each other. It's the act of letting go of the anger and choosing to let go of the bitterness. Forgiveness can be difficult, but as Christians, we need to demonstrate this very important core value. Third is, just as in Christ God forgave you. No sin is too great for God's forgiveness, and He offers it freely to those who seek it. The forgiveness we show is not based on the other's worthiness, but on God's grace towards us. We must remember how God has forgiven us. It should inspire us to forgive others. This verse reflects the character of God being kind, compassionate, and forgiving. It's a reminder that our forgiveness to others is rooted in the forgiveness we receive from God through Christ. This teaching encourages us Christians to live in unity and peace, showing love even in difficult circumstances. So, brothers and sisters in Christ, let us continue to glorify His name by showing His love to others. Thank you and Shalom.